So special, and it has to do with how everything is lined up, or maybe not lined up. At the center of it all, we have our sun. Of course, the Earth then going around the sun, and then, of course, going around the Earth, we have the moon. But everything's lined up in its own special way. The Earth and the sun are lined up on one axis, but the moon, that axis doesn't quite line up. In fact, it's off by about 5 degrees, and that 5-degree difference is all the difference. So usually, as the moon goes around the Earth, we don't see it come across the Earth's shadow. That is not the case this go around. We're seeing that axis line up. So as the Earth passes between the moon and the sun, it casts a shadow, and that's what we see as the lunar eclipse. And then you may be wondering, why that red-orange hue? Well, that is because of the shadow that the Earth casts onto the moon. And what makes it extra special for our area, it's almost a complete lunar eclipse. And that really is the special part of it. And you can see, yes, technically partial, but it's just about a total. And it really is a long one here. We started at 1 a.m. It peaks with the totality, if you will, at just after 4 a.m. and wraps up at around 7 a.m. But you do want to take a peek outside because it is a really beautiful orange hue on the moon. It's unmistakable. And if you can, I definitely suggest maybe setting the clocks, because there is an opportunity that this front will clear in time. We were wondering maybe if the showers would still be around the clouds. Let's time it out for you. The latest thinking showing that by this evening, the clouds arrive, the showers as well, starting north and west. The front begins to come through around midnight. You see the splotches of blue. Wouldn't be surprised to see a few snowflakes mix in if you are awake at that point. But here we are, that 4 to 5 a.m. time period, many areas beginning to see some clearing skies, a few lingering showers for Suffolk County, and then even a few snow showers on the backside of all this, north and west. But worth an opportunity, if you can, to peek out the window tomorrow morning. Peeking out the window right now, you're getting a glimpse of that rising sun and some beautiful, dramatic skies as we look into Midtown. Temperature-wise, that's the next big story, right? It is so mild out there. Midwood at 53, Newark at 51 degrees. Still some chilly spots like Morristown, you're at 37, and it is producing some fog. But it is so warm to start off with, and by this afternoon with highs into the upper 60s near 70, no doubt we are going to be approaching record territory at all the major reporting sites. You know it can't last, and that front is a strong one. So look at the wind chill forecast. Let's play it out that way. We are going to see it feel like, with those northwest winds tomorrow morning, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Wind chills will be in the 20s and the 30s by this time tomorrow morning. We do get a break. Rain-free days here Friday,